first episode of shEOS in the Making, where we keep it real, raw, and ridiculously inspiring. Here, we take ambitious women who spill their tea, take the mic, and share their journey behind their success. So let's get in. Whether you're building your dream business or dreaming from your 9-to-5 job, this podcast is just for you, because every boss woman have a story, and this is where the story begins. So today I'm kicking off things with a guest who hasn't just brewed coffee but has turned this coffee into a cafe, into a whole new experience. So she's the founder of the iconic CNC cafe, the one with the bolder vision and the one who's scaling up with delicious dishes. So without any further ado, grab your cafe, settle in, and let's welcome the caffeinated boss herself, Priya Singh. So you have taken something as simple as a cup of coffee and turned it into such a iconic, cafe and experience. So how did it all start? And what was the spark that lit this flame?
So it all started in the year 2009 when I and a group of friends had gone for an outing to Udaipur. It was just a normal outing, and then he was telling me about all these cafes which are opening up abroad and all that. And he said that, why don't you also start something like that and all that. So I took up a franchisee then, which I was running till the year 2012, I think. And then I stopped it, and this is how my own brand started up. CNC House of Coffee and Chocolates, because I personally love chocolates. I can eat it morning, night,
So
anytime.
do
and I wanted the name chocolate in my, the logo and everything, because I'm very fond of chocolates and coffees. So that's how this all started in the year 2009.
Okay, so this is why I love these chats, because we come up with different people and then we, try to know each other, try to know our, lovables. And this is so good to know that at this age, we still love chocolates.
I do. I can eat chocolate anytime. Day, night, evening, afternoon, anytime.
So CNC Cafe isn't just a vibe. It's an iconic moment itself. And every dish, every corner screams style. Every flavor, every dish screams a story. And I just want to know, where did it all start? And what was the, this powerful mind behind this entire cafe? And how did you design it? And was it all from a Pinterest board or a design blueprint, or what was it?
So when I first saw this place, I was literally shocked, because it was a very old bungalow, not used for many years. It was an old CA's office, and I was like, how am I going to make this into a cafe? I mean, when I came inside, there was furniture all over falling on me. And when I went upstairs also, it was oh my God, how am I going to make it? But then I think all the effort goes to my husband. And of course, a designer who helped us out also. And then that's how this, everything is very, even this blue color was changed, I think, more than 15 times to get this exact blue color. So I think we've put in a lot of my life, my whole everything into it.
So it's every time I scroll, even if it's through YouTube, even if it's just talking on my WhatsApp groups, chatting with my friends, I'm let's just go to CNC. I just need to teleport there because I love the dishes and I love the ambience. So
thank you so much.
Okay, real talk now. What were the biggest challenges you have ever faced, building this cafe, scaling this cafe, maintaining this cafe, and talking about the fire drills, the burnt croissants, and the sleepless nights? How was it?
Initially, like I told you, when I saw this cafe, I was how am I going to make it this to a cafe, this office? It was very, very hard for me. I was no, I can't make this into a cafe. But really, everyone worked very hard. Of course, we had sleepless nights because, where you want to put the coffee machine, where you're going to put my pastry cooler, everything. One of the guys, he designed the Coke machine. He said, I will put the Coke machine right in the middle. And how are we going to put a like Coke machine there? What will the customers think? Like, and then after that, Ratorat, I said, no, take out the Coke machine. We'll put a chair and we'll just make it into like a, picture spot or something like that. So everything, like even this I had to change this, like, I mean, 2-3 times, because before this there was I think a mirror behind. And I was like, no mirror. I mean, like, what are we going to do with the mirror? Yeah. So a lot of challenges that way, but okay, finally it turned out what I wanted it to be.
So I'm sure there are many young women, looking at this, watching the video, and I'm sure you all are seeking for this one golden rule from her. And I just want you to, just font this golden rule in front of them so that it's easier for them and these younger self-ears, so that they can rewind this part and play it on the loop, so that they know where to start, where to hang up, and where to just flow on.
I think whatever you do, you have to be passionate about it. I mean, like, and you put your passion into it, and then you do something which add values to your goal. And I think you'll definitely succeed.
This literally gave me just goosebumps. And if you're watching this and if you're doubting yourself, rewind and play it, baby. Please just stop it, girl, and just play it again. Play it on the loop and remind yourself. So now you know what time it is. It's the rapid fire round, and let's just start it without thinking. Let's just dive in. So the first question: one word your team would use to describe you.
Bossy.
Okay. Last thing you do before the cafe opens.
I count the cash and check the sales.
That's what everyone does.
Yes.
Okay, if you could co-create a menu with any of the seven chefs, who would you do it with?
Ranveer Bra, definitely.
Is he handsome?
Very.
Okay, so your business motto in 3 or less words.
Growth, communication, customer delight.
Okay. And one flavor you'll never serve, no matter how trendy it is.
Bitter God, never.
I hate it. I don't like it.
Yeah, never. I would never serve that.
This was so much fun, and thank you for bringing in this energy and keeping this inspiration going on. But I just wanted to ask one thing.
Yeah.
Are there any new ventures which you're looking up to?
Yeah, I just started a venture called the Dale by Beauty Lounge, which is just upstairs my cafe.
Oh.
It's not been a month or so. Like on the 25th of June will be a month. It's all about nails, beauty, skin.
Wow, I love all those stuff.
Thank you.
And I'm sure all the girls watching this video, you are fond of that too. So do visit Alkapuri mein hai ye, and it's just right about CNC Cafe. और उधर आएंगे तो CNC Cafe भी आ ही जाना, right?
Yes, to have a cup of coffee.
So, yeah, to this, let's keep going, and all the girls watching this, please stay consistent in all your work. Stay good to yourself, stay true to yourself, and it's not just about the coffee, but it's about keep going, and it's all about being consistent in your life.